What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have something different, something interesting. This is a smart ring. This smart ring is from RingConn and I have been using another RingConn smart ring for almost a year now. I have reviewed the first gen RingConn smart ring last year and now this one is a new gen RingConn smart ring and I think it's the correct time to do a long-term review of RingConn smart ring. I have been using this RingConn smart ring for the past couple of weeks. Not only me, my girlfriend Thea also uses a RingConn smart ring. Here is the one that my girlfriend Thea uses. So we actually have more than 3 different RingConn smart rings here. Well, let's do this review in 2 different parts. In the first part, we will talk about the physical product, outlook, appearance, build quality, and the specification. And in the second part, we will talk about the application, health monitoring data, accuracy, and all the in-depth analysis. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, let's start from unboxing. Trust me, I love the packaging and unboxing this RingConn smart ring is truly an amazing experience. I will let you go through the unboxing and enjoy my favorite background music. This RingConn smart ring actually gives me a feeling that I am having 2 different things at the same time. A posh and premium titanium ring and a health monitoring gadget. Surprisingly, it's not even heavy. This one weighs less than 4 grams and actually depending on the size of the ring, the size varies. The ring will weigh between 3 to 5 grams. Definitely, the smaller sized ones weigh less than 4 grams and the bigger sized ones weigh slightly more than 4 grams. It is IP68 certified, so definitely dust and waterproof all the way down to 50 meters. I do dishes, take a shower and go swimming with RingConn and it is working fine. No issues. The most important part is I really don't like to wear a ring which is made of gold, white gold or silver. Thea, my girlfriend, bought me a diamond ring but I never wore it. So she was a bit unhappy. And now we both wear RingConn smart rings and these 2 rings have become our engagement rings. I know it sounds a bit funny, but on the flip side of the coin, this statement actually means a lot. It shows how much we love and enjoy having this RingConn smart ring. This is a featherlight health tracker which is fashionable and has a sturdy build quality. This is made of titanium and RingConn has actually done all the things possible to make it the most sturdy smart ring. The charging case is another thing that has surprised me. This is certainly one of the best charging cases of any gadget that I have ever used. It feels like a precious jewelry box and has a very sturdy build quality. RingConn has printed their logo on the top lid. Altogether, it looks very much posh and premium. The charging case is made of premium alloy materials. It's not like cheap plastic or polycarbonate. This charging case is actually manufactured with care. And every cutout, every corner is so well designed that it is a charm to hold it in hand. To charge the ring, what we have to do is just place the ring inside this charging case and the ring will magnetically get attached and will start getting charged. Once we place the ring inside, the LED light will show and confirm that the ring has already started to get charged. This charging case actually has a 500 mAh battery and with the charging case, we can use the ring for almost 5 or 6 months without any issue. The ring itself offers a very long battery life of 7 days. Make sure that you get the perfect size because if you get a bigger one and if the ring is not perfectly fitted, the health trackers will fail to get data and the battery will get drained slightly faster than usual. Use the Find Your Size kit that RingConn sends for free to find the perfect size. Oh yeah, I think it's worth mentioning RingConn has their own patent-included PPG low-power chip that leads to this great battery life. RingConn actually recommends that this ring should be worn on the index finger or on the middle finger. So when you go for a size, try to get the perfect size for your index or middle finger. As there are many different health trackers inside this ring, there are some LED lights inside the ring, and the ring works 24/7. The LEDs would shine when the trackers are actually in use. When measuring the heart rate with the ring, both green lights will light up simultaneously for 30 to 60 seconds. When you see there are solid red and green lights blinking, that means the ring is actually measuring SpO2, blood oxygen saturation level. Actually, we wouldn't notice the health trackers or LED lights in a well-lit environment. Only if you try hard in a very dark environment, then maybe you notice it when you are wearing it correctly. RingConn smart ring costs almost half of the other smart rings available on the market, and you know what? You don't have to pay anything for any subscription. There are many other smart rings from different brands available on the market. Some of those don't even provide any health data if you don't buy a subscription pack. But RingConn is different. They offer all the health data for free with all the necessary in-depth analysis of the data. RingConn Smart Ring requires its own application, which is developed by RingConn, and the application is well available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. It's really very easy to download the application and pair the ring with the application. Inside the application, there are 3 tabs. There is this Insights tab, then the second tab is Trends, the third tab is Me, which is all about the user and the ring. Well, this is my account, and you know what? Even if you mistakenly delete the application, all the data are actually synced to the server of RingConn. So if you download this application on a new smartphone or on a different smartphone and log into your account, you will be able to check all the data. Well, on the inside, you will get the summary of your health tracking data. You will get sleep data, activity data, and stress data. Inside summary, you will actually get everything at a glance, like sleep score, activity score, and stress score. You will be also able to check health timeline, and underneath that, you will be able to check sleep, activity, and stress. Inside the sleep data tab, you will be able to check sleep score. It's only 58 because yesterday night I didn't have a very good sleep. I have only slept for 6 hours and 35 minutes. You can clearly see on Friday night I get a very good score because I don't have to wake up early in the Saturday morning. So I have slept 8 hours and 10 minutes on Friday night. I have got 93 sleep score. And not only that, we can also check movements when we are sleeping, awake percentage, REM percentage, light sleep percentage, and deep sleep percentage. We can check any date, like here is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Oh my gosh, on Wednesday night I have only slept for 3 hours and 40 minutes. On Saturday night I have slept for 6 hours and 45 minutes, but I had a very good sleep score because I had a very good sleep. But sometimes, like yesterday night, I also had 6 hours and 35 minutes of sleep time, but the sleep score is a bit low, only 58. Inside the activity tab, we can check all the activities. Like on Thursday, I have done some workouts and my activity score is 92. In the stress tab, we can check our stress level. This actually helps a lot. Look at this. In the night time, I don't have any stress. I'm not stressed. When I wake up, okay, my stress level goes up, up, and up. It's a very high 92 from 11:30 to 12 p.m. when I'm super busy doing some meetings. It clearly shows early morning 24, morning 56, afternoon 64, evening 62. So all the data are there one more time. What about today? Let's check. Now it's 39, but afternoon it was like 63. Yesterday afternoon was 66. On Saturday afternoon, it was like 71 because I was playing games. So, okay, I can check when I was stressed out, when I need to relax a bit, or whatever I was doing. Maybe it wasn't right, or maybe that task was making me stressed out. Look at this. From Friday night, from 8:30 to 10:30, I was super stressed out because I just came from office and I had to record a smartphone review video. So, I was stressed out. Inside the trends, we can check week, month, and year. All the data is available for us on the Trends tab. And inside Me, we can check the ring status, battery status, and all the other things. There is another thing I like about this application is we just can click on this measure button and we can check what is going on, like heart rate, blood oxygen, HRV, and everything. So yeah, it's a very compact application with all the data. Especially this one has HRV, heart rate variability. HRV is the measurement of the variation in time between consecutive heartbeats. Many other smart rings wouldn't even do this HRV. Well, I've tried this smart ring from RingConn with many other smartwatches and professional tools. Accuracy of this RingConn smart ring is really very high, very high. Well, that's all about this RingConn smart ring. I've been using a RingConn smart ring for more than a year. My girlfriend is using one for more than a month, and we both are super satisfied with the performance. The main reason that we wear this RingConn smart ring is to track health data, and as I've just mentioned, this one offers almost 99.99% accuracy, offers a lot of data, offers a lot of in-depth analysis. So considering the price and all the features, RingConn smart ring offers very good value for money. Well, if you're looking for a smart ring which actually performs very well and at the same time is pretty much fashionable, then I think you should go for this RingConn smart ring. That's my personal opinion. It's not a sponsored video. Yeah, there is another color available. That's the gold color one. We don't like that color, so we didn't buy that. So if you want or wanna get a gold colored piece of jewelry, then you can go for that. That one also works perfectly fine. I just like this titanium color, and Thea prefers the black because she thinks that this black colored one goes with her emo. So well, that's why I have chosen these two colors. I have left a link of this RingConn smart ring in the description box below. Go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.